Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. X, formerly known as Twitter, introduces the option for users to restrict responses solely to verified accounts, enhancing control over engagements. This feature offers four response options: everyone, verified accounts, accounts you follow, and only accounts you mention. The initiative aligns with X's broader changes, including the evolution of verification badges, now available as part of X Premium, formerly Twitter Blue. Elon Musk tests the functionality of this feature through a post on X. While verified accounts gain enhanced engagement controls, the impact on non-verified users remains a subject of future developments and adjustment, potentially reshaping interactions dynamic. Next up we have WhatsApp, a widely used instant messaging platform under Meta's ownership, introduces a feature to facilitate community management within its business version. Currently in development, the feature is accessible to select beta testers through the WhatsApp Business Beta for Android 2.23.21.10 update on Google Play Store. Users will find an entry point to the community screen, potentially within the main overflow menu, enhancing the management of joint communities. While community creation may not be possible from the business version, users gain improved control over viewing and managing these groups. A broader rollout of this feature is expected in the near future, enhancing business interactions on WhatsApp. Apple's highly anticipated mixed reality headset, the Vision Pro, is slated for an early 2024 release at a price of $3,499 in the United States. The headset is designed to switch between 90 Hz, 96 Hz, and 100 Hz modes, primarily operating at 90 Hz and accommodating 96 Hz for 24 frames per second video content. Remarkably, code findings by M1 Astra reveal that the headset's maximum refresh rate can reach 100 Hz, activated to counter 50 Hz flicker attributed to artificial lighting. The Vision Pro boasts dual custom micro OLED screens, collectively amassing over 23 million pixels, surpassing the resolution of a 4K TV for each eye. This cutting-edge technology promises an immersive mixed reality experience for users. Next up we have ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, expands its space endeavors beyond Earth following the successful Chandrayaan-3 mission. Chairman S. Somnath underscores the significance of private sector participation and adherence to foreign direct investment (FDI) regulations. ISRO embarks on a journey to explore space activities beyond Earth, encompassing the study of the universe, securing other planetary systems, and venturing into the realms beyond Earth's boundaries. The organization's vision extends towards establishing a comprehensive and enduring strategy for space activities. ISRO's evolution signifies a significant leap in its mission and contributions to the global space community. Apple is contemplating the gradual integration of OLED display technology into its iPad lineup, commencing with the iPad Pro in 2024. Suppliers LG Display and Samsung could provide OLED panels for the iPad Pro. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro, currently featuring mini LED backlighting, will transition to OLED technology in future iterations. Apple's plans extend to potentially introducing OLED panels to the iPad Air and iPad Mini starting in 2026, following performance evaluations post-iPad Pro integration. This strategic shift aligns with Apple's history of adopting innovative display technology. Spotify embarks on a strategy to incentivize free users in India to consider upgrading to its premium subscription, impacting certain features. Users in India receive pop-up notifications announcing alterations related to song playback sequence and access to the previous track, while free users retain access to artist, album, playlist, and Spotify's recommendation engine. Specific features will become restricted, including pause, unmute, remaining time, and close player. Spotify's initiative aims to encourage a transition to premium services among its user base. The platform's approach to monetization in India calls for alternative strategies to boost growth beyond feature limitations. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, confronts a persistent challenge with over 100 hacking attempts daily. as revealed by Chairman S. Somnath. Remarkably, ISRO's security systems have effectively thwarted all hacking attempts, maintaining the integrity of satellite and rocket software, crucial for missions like lunar landings. ISRO fortifies its defenses with multiple layers of firewalls and comprehensive safety measures. Chairman Somnath underscores the imperative of robust cybersecurity knowledge and a solid knowledge base to uphold security standards. ISRO remains proactive, recently sharing initial images of the Gaganyaan spacecraft scheduled to transport humans to space in December 2024 and preparing for unmanned flight test integrated to the Gaganyaan mission. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
अरे भाई तेरा आईफोन 15 के तेरे को हॉट फील कराता है।
अरे भाई यार पॉकेट में तंदूर लगा लिया है।
भाई इसे पकड़ते तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई है।
ये ले भाई विंटर वेकेशन भी माना।
भाई ये क्या है, आइस पैक? ये आईफोन वालों ने भी नई एक्सेसरी दी है क्या इसके साथ में?
भाई एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट है, एप्पल स्टोर से नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को ये।
अरे वाह भाई, इनको बोल ये तो फ्री में दे, इसकी तो बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है।
हाँ भाई आईफोन का ठंडक की गारंटी।
अरे वाह,